There is a wide range of 5 best outdoor security cameras in 2025, each offering unique features. To help you make an informed decision, I have conducted thorough research and analyzed numerous reviews to compile a list. Please check the links in the description. So, without any delay, let's proceed to the video. Number 1. Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor. The Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery, 2nd generation, the intelligent and flexible security solution designed for your home. Whether you're protecting your porch or monitoring your living room, this camera provides crystal clear 1080p HDR video both day and night. With its battery-powered design, you can install it anywhere. No need for a nearby power outlet. It operates on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring reliable connectivity and integration with your smart home system. Setup is a breeze using the Google Home app, and you can manage everything right from your smartphone. Plus, it works seamlessly with Google Assistant and even Amazon Alexa for voice control. Thanks to built-in AI, the Nest Cam can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, sending you tailored alerts. If an event occurs, you'll be notified instantly. Stay connected with two-way audio, letting you talk to people or pets in range, no matter where you are. With infrared night vision, the Nest Cam ensures clear visibility up to 20 feet, even in low-light conditions. The included magnetic mount and optional accessories make installation simple and flexible, giving you peace of mind, indoors or outdoors. With the Google Nest Cam, security is always at your fingertips. Enhance your home security today with the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery, 2nd generation. Number 2. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro. The Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery, a smart security solution packed with advanced features designed to protect your home day or night. Capture crystal clear, high-definition video with 1080p HDR. This technology adjusts for varying lighting, ensuring your footage is crisp, whether it's bright sunlight or low-light conditions. With 3D motion detection, the Spotlight Cam Pro tracks movement with precision, sending you real-time alerts and accurate notifications about activity around your home. The bird's eye view feature gives you an aerial perspective of your property so you can see exactly where motion is happening. Need extra visibility? The built-in adjustable spotlight lets you illuminate walkways and corners, adding an extra layer of protection. Stay connected with the Ring app. Monitor live footage, review recordings, or even communicate with visitors using two-way audio anytime, anywhere. And if there's suspicious activity, the built-in security siren can sound an alarm to deter intruders. With easy-to-replace rechargeable batteries, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro ensures your home stays secure effortlessly. Protect what matters most with the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery. Advanced security, anytime, anywhere. Number 3. TP-Link Topo Mag Cam. The TP-Link Topo Mag Cam is here to impress. It won prestigious accolades, including PC Mag's Editor's Choice and Wirecutter's recommendation, making it a standout in the world of home surveillance. Let's dive into why this camera is a must-have for your security setup. First up, the Topo Mag Cam offers a completely wire-free installation. With its IP66 weatherproof rating, this camera can handle rain, heat, or snow no problem. The magnetic base makes mounting a breeze, whether on metal surfaces or walls. No drilling, no wires, just a simple, flexible setup. Next, let's talk about power. With a 10,000 mAh battery, you get an incredible 300 days of battery life on a single charge. Plus, for even more convenience, you can add the optional Topo A200 solar panel, providing continuous power and making it a nearly maintenance-free security solution. Now, the Topo Mag Cam isn't just practical, it's high quality too. With stunning 2K resolution, it delivers 1.7 times more detail than standard 1080p cameras. And at night, full-color night vision thanks to the built-in starlight sensor and spotlights, making sure you capture everything clearly, even in low light. Smart detection features like person and vehicle detection reduce false alerts, ensuring you're only notified about actual security threats, giving you peace of mind. For storage, you've got options. Use a micro SD card up to 512 GB for local storage, or take advantage of cloud storage through TopoCare for extended video history and motion tracking. To wrap up, The TP-Link Topo Mag Cam offers everything you need: easy installation, long battery life, 2K resolution, and smart detection. Whether you're upgrading or setting up for the first time, this camera is a reliable, feature-packed choice for home security. Number 4. UFI Security Camera. Floodlight Camera. The UFI Security Camera Floodlight Camera E340 wired is here to deliver reliable, round-the-clock surveillance. Let's dive into its key features and see why this camera is a must-have for your home security. First up, the E340 offers 24/7 recording, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Thanks to local storage options, you have complete control of your footage with no monthly fees. Store your recordings on a micro SD card or the EUFI Homebase S380 for added flexibility. Equipped with a 360-degree PTZ camera, the E340 provides full coverage of your property. With intelligent AI-powered motion detection, it tracks human movement and follows intruders, making sure you're always in the loop. The E340 features dual 2K and 3K cameras for crystal-clear footage. The 2K telephoto camera captures details from 50 feet away, while the 3K wide-angle lens gives you a panoramic view of the area. And with 8x hybrid zoom, you can easily switch between wide-area monitoring and close-up details. The powerful 2,000-lumen floodlight not only illuminates your yard, but also acts as a deterrent. It activates on motion, paired with a loud 95 dB alarm, making sure potential intruders think twice. Installation is simple and works seamlessly with the UFI Security app, giving you full control from your smartphone. You can adjust settings, view live footage, and receive instant alerts. Whether it's day or night, the E340 performs exceptionally well. With the floodlight and advanced AI detection, you'll get accurate alerts and crystal-clear video, even in low light. The UFI Security Camera. Floodlight Camera E340 wired is the ultimate home security solution. With 24/7 recording, AI-powered motion detection, and no subscription fees, it's the smart choice for protecting your property. Secure your home without the ongoing costs. Number 5. Arlo Pro 5S Spotlight Security Camera. The Arlo Pro 5S Spotlight Security Camera, a premium, wireless outdoor camera that delivers exceptional video surveillance with ease. Equipped with 2K HDR video quality, the Arlo Pro 5S provides crystal-clear footage, ensuring that every detail is captured, whether it's during the day or at night. Its wire-free design makes installation a breeze. No wires, no hassle. Just place it anywhere around your property and enjoy flexible security monitoring. Thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, the camera connects seamlessly to the strongest network, ensuring a stable, reliable connection, even in areas with varying signal strength. The built-in spotlight offers color night vision, so you can clearly see everything even in complete darkness. Plus, with a 160-degree field of view, you'll have complete coverage. Need a closer look? The 12x zoom ensures you never miss important details. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly through the camera, while its IP65 weather resistance means it's built to handle any weather. With the Arlo Secure app, you'll get real-time notifications, cloud video storage, and even remote siren activation for added peace of mind. The Arlo Pro 5S, your comprehensive solution for home security with the power to protect day and night.